Oh my god, it's so looking yummy. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody. I'm having a nice tutorial today. My today tutorial is how to make a tea, Camilla tea. So let's get started. First, I put the water in my kettle. I put it on. You see, the light is on. The water will boil. Okay, now the water is boiled. So you put the water in my teacup. So I like to drink many. This is my Camilla tea. I just removed the label because of privacy violation. So you put the tea in the water. Inside the water, this is boiled water. You leave it for 5 minutes. Okay, my people, the tea is ready. The 5 minutes now is already over. We take the tea bag out. You can drink with sugar or with honey, but me, I prefer to drink without. I drink like that. Just take a good look at the tea. Oh my god, it's so looking yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I really appreciate you all. I will make another new video very soon for a special cooking again. Thank you. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.